welcome to week 2 of quarantine school. Today's lesson, tomorrow's lesson, these are both easy peasy lessons. You're not going to have any problem with it whatsoever. Today is something that you have known for the longest, even if you didn't know why you knew it. That's half. If your mom hands you a cookie and says give half to your sister, you know to break it in half, to break it in 2 equal pieces. And you get one and your sibling gets one. If you look on page 187, it shows a picture of 12 leaves. And it says half of 12 means 12 divided into 2 equal groups. And so they circled the first 6 leaves and they circled the second 6 leaves. Another way of saying this is half of 12. And it means the same thing as 12 divided by 2. Oh, I wrote my 2 crazy. 2. How many times can 2 go into 12? 6 times. You would have known this without doing this because we use the term half so often. Miss Charlene, what time's lunch? In half an hour. You know that means half of 60, so 30 minutes. If you got a candy bar and I said, don't eat that whole thing, only eat half, you would know to break it in half and just eat that part. The easy way to think of half of a number is just divide it by 2. So if you had half of 8, it would be what? What times 2 equals 8? 4. That's right. What about if you had half of 20? What times 2 equals 20? 10. Now, the kindergarten way to do this would be like in the book, where they drew out the pictures. That's the wrong side. Drew out the pictures and circled half of them. We even did this at the beginning of 3rd grade year. Remember when it would say circle a third and I would teach you to go 1, 2, circle 3, 1, 2, circle 3. That's all you were doing. But now that you know some of your multiplication facts, dividing using a fraction is extremely easy. There's no reason to draw out a picture. Let's look at 1A. It says half of 12. Well, we just did that with the leaves. That means 12 divided by 2. So how many times? 2 times what is 12? 6. Very good. B says half of 8. We just talked about that. 2 times what equals 8? 4. Very good. And now I'm going to eat half of a chocolate bar. And I will see you tomorrow.